up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a big hit from the 90s, Closing Time. Cool song, very unique vocals, I think, and super easy. We got the same chords basically over and over and over and over. We do have a small bridge, but let's talk about that later. We got G major, song is in G. 1, 2, 3. We got D major. 1, 2, 3. You got A minor. And we got C major. So here's the switching. 3, 4, G. D, 2, 3, 4, A minor, and C, 2, 3, G. D, A minor, and C major, G. D, A minor, and C major, G. D, A minor, and here's the strumming. The verses, you can mute it, play a little quiet, put your right hand on the bridge. And for the choruses, make it big. Here I'm playing more down strokes. Open up. So that's all the chords. We do have, they have this little bridge they go to after the second chorus, which is a B flat major actually, so this could be hard for beginners. So that's 6, got a bar 6th fret, 8, 8, and 7. Can I hang on that a bit? And then I go back to a G. 1, 2, and back to the same chords. Cool. Nice and easy, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic hits. Thank you and be safe.